I have graduated in economics, and always there is a connection between economics and accounting. So I didn't get an opportunity to work as an accountant when I searched for a job. I started my career as a teacher in a school. Then after 3 years of working there, I got an opportunity in another NGO. They called me for a post of an accountant. Then I thought this will be a career change in my life, and I took it as a challenge. Then I learned accounting. I joined in the year 2005. It was on 8th September, and I came through an ad in the Times of India. I saw one small ad about Innisfree House School, and I was looking for a job in educational institutions that time. And after 1 week, I got an interview for Innisfree House School. And my first day, like, I was introduced to my present colleagues, Mrs. Chandrakala, Mrs. Chitra ma'am, and Leena. All of them are there still now in the school, and I got a great support from them. I have seen a major changes in the field of technology and infrastructure. In 2007, I remember we started with smart classes, and we had plasma boards in all the classrooms. Now I can see a lot of interactive whiteboards. Then other things like so many labs are increased, like math lab and learning lab also I can see now. Other changes like most of the infrastructure we have upgraded. We have a generator and all the power backup, centralized UPS system we have, and solar electricity. All that I could see a lot of changes in that. And academically also, school has gone with the IGCSE syllabus, and now the students have the option to learn either ICSE or IGSE. I like Innisfree motto, like do well all you do. So IHS stands for integrity, honesty and sincerity. I follow those words in my life, and be honest and be loyal to the institution. First of all, I say a person should have an aptitude towards accounting, and he should love to work with the numbers, and a lot of analytical skills required in this profession, because every day it's changing. Yeah, I will tell them not to be scared with the numbers, first of all, because if you have patience and understand the concept, you will get into it. I don't think it's a boring job, because in every day you enjoy this profession, because for us, like credit, debit, balance, and the tallying work, something which is tallied, we are happy with the work. They should be very innovative. They can learn new things, because many of us don't know what accountancy will give you a job like. As a final piece of advice, I will tell the students, be honest and be sincere in this profession. In IHS, when I completed my 10 years, that was the happiest moment, and Bolar Education Trust awarded me with a citation and other valuable gifts, because I understood the depth of the trust from the management. Yeah, Innisfree is a place of no discrimination, I can tell you, because when I joined here, I understood there is no difference between admin staff or the teachers. Everybody gets the same opportunities. Working here in Innisfree House School for the past 15 years, I have observed a lot of changes in me as a person. First thing, I learned how to be more patient and to be calm. All those qualities I learned from Mrs. Bola. Now I don't follow any ideologies in my life. For me, humanity is very important.